Custom hard anodic oxide film thickness solutions. Advanced surface engineering for global manufacturing excellence by URGS International Engineering Services Private Limited. Welcome to URGS International Engineering Services Private Limited. In today's highly competitive global manufacturing landscape, product performance is determined not only by design and material selection but also by the quality of surface engineering. Across industries such as aerospace, automotive, electric vehicles, railway, defense, oil and gas, medical devices, semiconductor manufacturing, marine, precision engineering, components are expected to operate under increasingly demanding conditions while delivering exceptional reliability throughout their service life. Wear, corrosion, friction, oxidation, high temperatures, and aggressive chemical environments continue to be among the leading causes of premature component failure and increased maintenance costs. To overcome these challenges, manufacturers worldwide are increasingly adopting advanced anodizing and engineered surface treatments technologies. URGS International Engineering Services Private Limited, together with its worldwide associated technology partners, provides customized hard anodizing and advanced surface engineering solutions that enable manufacturers to improve product performance, extend component life, reduce life cycle costs, and achieve world-class manufacturing standards. In this presentation, we will explore how customized anodic oxide film thickness solutions create measurable value across diverse industrial sectors. Engineering challenges facing modern manufacturing. Today's manufacturers operate in an environment where quality expectations have never been higher. OEMs demand longer product life, improved wear resistance, superior corrosion protection, lightweight materials, enhanced reliability, reduced warranty claims, lower maintenance costs, compliance with international quality requirements. As industries continue transitioning toward lightweight engineering materials such as aluminum, magnesium, and titanium alloys, protecting these materials has become increasingly important. Without appropriate surface engineering, even the highest quality machine components may experience accelerated wear, corrosion, galling, dimensional degradation, or fatigue-related failures. This is where advanced anodizing technologies play a critical role. Rather than simply applying a coating, anodizing transforms the surface into a highly durable oxide layer that becomes an integral part of the material itself. Why surface engineering is a strategic investment? Many organizations consider anodizing as a finishing process. In reality, it is a strategic engineering investment. Advanced surface engineering directly contributes to improved product reliability, increased operational efficiency, reduced life cycle costs, lower maintenance frequency, enhanced customer satisfaction, improved field performance, greater resistance against harsh operating environments, increased return on engineering investment. Whether components operate in offshore platforms, aircraft, heavy mining equipment, electric vehicles, precision medical devices, or industrial automation systems, optimized surface properties are essential for long-term reliability. Conventional anodizing. Conventional anodizing remains one of the most widely adopted electrochemical surface treatment technologies for aluminum and other lightweight alloys. Its advantages include excellent corrosion resistance, uniform decorative appearance, stable color consistency, improved electrical insulation, enhanced surface durability, better adhesion for secondary coatings. Because the anodic layer becomes part of the parent metal, it does not peel, crack, or delaminate like conventional coatings. This makes anodizing an ideal solution for industries where both aesthetics and functional performance are important. Then next is custom hard anodizing solutions. For applications requiring significantly higher durability, hard anodizing provides exceptional engineering benefits. Hard anodizing produces a dense oxide layer with surface hardness exceeding HP 500 plus, providing outstanding resistance against abrasion, sliding wear, impact, and surface damage. One of the most important engineering parameters is customized anodic oxide film thickness. Every application has unique performance requirements. Aircraft components require different coating specifications than hydraulic cylinders. Automotive transmission housings require different protection than semiconductor equipment. Medical devices require different dimensional tolerances than defense equipment. For this reason, URGS International works closely with customers to develop customized coating specifications based on operating environment, mechanical loading, wear conditions, corrosion exposure, functional requirements, dimensional tolerances, industry specifications. The result is an optimized surface engineered specifically for the intended application. Micro arc oxidation, next generation surface engineering. For extremely demanding applications, micro arc oxidation, also known as plasma electrolytic oxidation, offers exceptional performance. This advanced process produces ceramic oxide coatings with hardness levels exceeding HP 1000 plus. Key advantages include exceptional wear resistance, outstanding corrosion protection, high temperature stability, excellent dielectric properties, superior chemical resistance, enhanced fatigue performance. Micro arc oxidation has become increasingly important for aerospace, defense, electric mobility, semiconductor manufacturing, medical technology, robotics, and high performance industrial equipment. Comprehensive surface engineering capabilities. In addition to anodizing technologies, URGS International supports customers with a comprehensive portfolio of engineered surface treatments. Our capabilities include precision sandblasting, electrophoretic coating, surface preparation, customized surface finishing, engineering support for specialized industrial applications. Every project is managed with a focus on process consistency, quality assurance, and customer-specific engineering requirements. Industries we support. URGS International provides advanced surface engineering solutions across multiple industrial sectors. These include aerospace and aviation, automotive and electric mobility, railway and metro systems, industrial machinery, heavy engineering, electrical and electronics, battery manufacturing, robotics and automation, medical devices, defense manufacturing, marine engineering, oil and gas, construction equipment, precision engineering. Whether supporting prototype development or high volume manufacturing, our solutions are designed to improve component performance throughout the product life cycle. Why partner with URGS International? Selecting the right engineering partner is just as important as selecting the right surface treatment process. URGS International Engineering Services Private Limited provides customers with access to a global network of advanced engineering capabilities through its associated technology partners worldwide. Our value proposition includes customized engineering solutions, technical consultation, global sourcing support, engineering project coordination, prototype and production support, internationally quality standards, reliable project execution, cost-effective manufacturing solutions, technical expertise across diverse industrial sectors. Our objective is not simply to provide a process, but to deliver engineered solutions that improve manufacturing competitiveness, enhance product reliability, and support sustainable business growth. At last, closing. As global industries continue pursuing higher quality, greater efficiency, and lower product life, advanced surface engineering has become a critical competitive advantage. Customized hard anodic oxide film thickness solutions enable manufacturers to enhance wear resistance, improve corrosion protection, reduce maintenance costs, and maximize product performance across demanding industrial applications. Whether your organization is developing next generation aerospace systems, electric vehicles, industrial machinery, medical devices, or precision engineered components, URGS International Engineering Services Private Limited is your trusted engineering partner for advanced surface treatment solutions. Through our worldwide associated technology partners, we help manufacturers assess reliable, high quality, and customized engineering services that meet international industry expectations. If you are planning a new project, qualifying a new supplier, improving an existing product, or seeking advanced surface engineering solutions, we invite you to connect with our engineering team. Contact URGS International Engineering Services Private Limited. Our email ID is info@urgsenergy.com. Our mobile number is +917359458455. This is our WhatsApp number also. We are 24/7 available on WhatsApp. Please contact us through WhatsApp for any query. Together, let us engineer stronger, more durable, and higher performing products for the industries of tomorrow. Thank you for watching. If you found this presentation valuable, please like, share, subscribe and enable notifications to stay updated with our latest engineering solutions, industrial technologies, inspection services and technical insights from URGS International Engineering Services Private Limited. Thank you.